Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add elements to your videos using Clipchamp. Whether it's stickers, audios, text, effects or filters, this is the perfect way to do it. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit. Now the first element to add on the Clipchamp video is the text. Now tap onto the text button which is right here and tap onto text. From here you can type anything you want to add to your video. After typing whatever you wanted, now you can change the color, fonts and size of the text however you want to change it. Now the second thing is the stickers. Tap onto the overlay button right here. Now tap onto stickers. From here you can add a lot of stickers that you want to add to your video. Now choose one sticker that you want to add and tap on to next. Now the sticker has been added to your video. Arrange the sticker wherever you want to add it. Now to add the filters, tap on to edit button and tap on to filters which is right here. From here you can find a lot of filters that you want to add. Now tap on to effects and add the effects that you want to add to your video. Now for the music part, tap on to the audio button right here. Then tap on to the music button again. And from here you can choose a lot of musics that you want to add to your video. Tap on to the plus sign button and the audio will be added to your video right away. And there you have it. You have successfully added elements to your video in Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.